Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -28.31%. This amounts to an average loss of -2.36% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 2.23% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -2.23% and 61.32%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -5.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -5.13% to 111.97% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.98 and $6.66. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, "Significant Movements in NIO's Stock Price on Tuesday, fluctuating 12.91% between high and low." The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 6.55% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. It fell from $3.36 to $3.14. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.91%, with a low of $3.02 and a high of $3.41. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 8 of those days, resulting in a total drop of 28.47% for this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This trend might serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 76 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $237.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the stock price stands 59.27%, or $4.57, below the 52-week high, and 95.31%, or $63.85, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Inc. has made substantial recent moves that could impact its stock performance both in the short and long term. The company filed its 2024 annual report on Form 20-F, providing essential insights into its financial health, which is likely to draw investor attention. Additionally, NIO completed a significant offering of 4 billion Hong Kong dollars in new shares aimed at strengthening its capital amidst a competitive landscape. However, concerns linger over potential US-China tariff barriers, which could impede growth by raising costs and disrupting supply chains. Analysts are considering these factors as the company competes with rivals like Li Auto, which currently displays stronger margins and sales performance. Another important development is the ongoing negotiations between NIO and CATL, a major battery manufacturer, regarding a controlling stake in NIO's power unit. This could enhance NIO's battery swapping network, a critical aspect of its business model. In the short term, these factors introduce volatility to NIO's stock price. While investor interest may surge due to the annual report and capital raising, persistent tariff concerns and competition from Li Auto could hinder long-term valuations. Thus, NIO's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in determining its share performance moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was additionally reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. On upward corrections, some resistance is expected at $3.60 and $4.35. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 39.85%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as the MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 21 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 21 days ago. The short-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was noted 10 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average, a sell signal was noted 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was identified 5 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 390 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which translates to a change of 12.91%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at -13 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.36. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making moves only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such scenarios. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for the stock is more than 3 months old. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we expect NIO to open higher by 5 cents, beginning trading at $3.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.